Hello everyone, welcome back to Yamatab. Today we are going to make a healthy banana smoothie recipe. For this, you'll be needing a cup of milk, a banana, two dates, and some rolled oats. So we'll start off by roasting some rolled oats for 3 to 5 minutes until the color changes. Next, we'll add a medium-sized banana in the mixer. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of the rolled oats. Now we'll add the 2 dates but without the seeds. Last but not the least, we'll add a cup of milk. Now we have to blend it thoroughly for 1 minute. Now your drink is ready. This drink can work as a breakfast meal. Thanks for watching our video. Please like